So the rotating wall cloud is right above us.
Yeah, that's why I was just like, I think there might be rotation there. It is. It's coming. It's right over top. All the major lightning is right there. Look at that.
It is classic.
Yep. Oh, that's classic tornado cloud right there. Good gravy, Miss Maisie. Okay, why am I out here? Our phone's ringing. You want to grab it? Yeah, it's rotating. There's. This is kind of a big deal. Wow, look at that cloud. I feel like I should put my pansies inside. I'm saving my pansies. They're too pretty to let the storm blow them away. Ew, what did I just... Thanks for the cigarette butt to step on, Bubba. Wow. So still. Holy crap. Holy shit, look at that. Dude, get inside! It's right there. It's forming. It's trying to.
What are you screaming about, honey?
I'm telling our neighbor to go inside because it's forming right there.
Forming.
It's right there.
Yeah,
look.
Dude, oh my god. Oh my god. Hell yeah, there is, dude. It's right in front of us.
My heart is racing.
I'm cycliding it right now. Dude, we're outside right now. That motherfucker's forming, dude. It's right
Bubba,
there.
watch your language, honey.
Dude, it's forming. Oh my god, I've never
Who are you
seen
talking
this.
to?
Michael, I've never seen something this close before. Dude, I'm right there, man. It's forming. Dude, bull crap. There's a tornado right there. Honey, get inside. You see it right there?
That-
Dude,
I
there's a
know.
tornado. I'm watching it right now. What? Pam's videotaping it. Come on, honey, get inside.
Well, it's
Baby, get the fuck inside. What are you, He-Man?